The Mercedes-Benz W245 from 2005 to 2011 features steering wheel buttons for controlling audio, phone, and navigating menus. These controls allow for hands-free operation, enhancing safety while driving. We'll cover the layout, functionality, and common operations to get you started. Remember, these are physical buttons designed for tactile feedback, prioritizing simplicity over digital interfaces. The left side of the steering wheel manages audio functions. Use the volume up and down buttons to adjust sound levels. The mute button silences all audio instantly. Press the mode button to switch between audio sources like radio, CD, or MP3. Some models include buttons to skip tracks or stations. Holding volume buttons may fast forward or rewind. The layout varies slightly by model year and trim, but follows this general pattern. The right side of the steering wheel focuses on phone and menu navigation controls. Press the phone button to answer incoming calls. The same button or a dedicated button can also hang up calls. Some systems support redial functionality through another press. If your W245 has Bluetooth, often standard on later models, these buttons allow hands-free calling. Early models from 2005 to 2008 might require aftermarket Bluetooth add-ons for this functionality. Alongside phone controls, the right side steering wheel includes buttons for menu navigation. Up and down arrows allow scrolling through options on the central display. An OK or Enter button confirms your selections. These menus control settings like equalizer adjustments. Trip computer data shows driving information, phone book access for contacts. The monochrome display provides essential information navigated via these physical buttons. Common operations for the W245 steering wheel controls include answering calls, adjusting volume, switching audio sources, and navigating menus. Familiarize yourself with your specific layout as variations may exist. Over time, the steering wheel buttons on the Mercedes-Benz W245 may wear out or become faulty due to regular use and environmental factors. Common issues include button wear from repeated pressing, leading to reduced responsiveness over years of operation. Wiring corrosion can also occur, especially in humid environments, causing electrical connections to degrade and buttons to fail. If buttons become unresponsive, start by checking wiring connections behind the steering wheel for loose or corroded contacts. Consider cleaning the button contacts with electrical contact cleaner to remove dust and oxidation. Replacement parts are readily available through online retailers like eBay or specialized Mercedes recyclers. However, for airbag module replacement involving the steering wheel, always seek professional service due to critical safety concerns and complex wiring that could affect airbag deployment if mishandled. Given the age of the W245, the original system may feel dated. Consider aftermarket upgrades to modernize the system. Bluetooth modules can add wireless phone connectivity. Android-based head units can provide smartphone integration like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, though this often requires wiring modifications. These upgrades can significantly improve functionality and user experience. Ensure compatibility and professional installation if needed. Looking ahead, while modern vehicles incorporate advanced touchpads, capacitive sensors, and voice assistants, the W245 remains committed to its reliable physical button system. Although industry trends increasingly favor minimalist steering wheel designs, many drivers continue to value the direct tactile feedback and straightforward operation that physical buttons provide. The W245's controls deliver dependable performance when properly maintained, allowing you to navigate audio, phone, and menu functions safely and efficiently through a clear understanding of their layout and purpose.